Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, there is a lot of development going on in Jamaica. And leading that development is the building of hotels on the north coast, the building of residential units, villas. But today we are going to talk about hotels. Now, we're going to talk about 4 hotel developments, but what makes these developments special is that they all cost over 1 billion US dollars, or that is the amount that's going to be invested in the developments. So I think the largest one, although I'm not sure if this project has started back yet, but the Sugarcane Bay Hotel is to be built in Runaway Bay, but it's not. I shouldn't say Sugarcane Bay Hotel. The Sugarcane Bay project. It's to build 10 hotels in Runaway Bay. 10. The project is going to cost over 1 billion US dollars. Massive development. The last we heard, it was on hold, but I'm not sure if they have started back. Okay, another major development is the Harmony Cove development. This one is in Trelawney, and they're going to invest $1.3 billion. This one is going to build not only a hotel, it's going to build a golf course, all the amenities you find in a luxury hotel development. Another one is the Bahia Principal Hotel, also in Runaway Bay. 2 of the 4 mega hotel projects are actually in St. Anne and actually in Runaway Bay. Runaway Bay is quickly emerging as a place to build hotels in Jamaica. Although the fastest growing tourist area now is Cooper's Pen in Trelawney, but Runaway Bay is very close. Now, the Bahia Principal, they operate a hotel in Runaway Bay now. It's actually the largest hotel in Jamaica with 1,350 rooms. And they're going to be building 2 more hotels at a cost of 1.5 billion US dollars also in Runaway Bay. So they'll have 3 hotels. Now, another mega project is the building of the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. Now, this is 4 towers at 28 floors each. It's going to cost 1.3 billion US dollars. Now, the 4 towers at 28 floors each are going to be the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And not only the tallest in Jamaica, the tallest in the Caribbean. Now, 1 of the 4 towers is going to operate as a hotel. So, and the Pinnacle, they've actually started construction of the first 2 towers. Phase 1, they're going to build 2 towers, and then phase 2, in phase 2, they build the other 2 towers. Now, they have a lot more hotels under construction. Almost every parish has a hotel under construction in Jamaica. Well, I shouldn't say that. In Westmoreland, you have numerous hotels under construction. Hanover, you have the Princess Resort under construction, and the Grand Palladium is also going to be building another hotel in Hanover. In Montego Bay, well, you have the Pinnacle, but you also have more hotels under construction. They just don't reach the $1 billion mark. You have the Unico, you have the Hard Rock Casino, you have many hotels. On the Hip Strip, quite a few hotels are being built. In Trelawney, you have Rio Aguilera in Trelawney under construction. It's actually going to open in a few weeks. In St. Anne, numerous hotels under construction. As we said, two of the mega hotels we just discussed are in Runaway Bay, but you have Secrets building a hotel in Richmond, a lot of developments. And then Ocho Rios, of course, they have hotels under construction there. I'm not sure if any are under construction in St. Mary or Portland, but definitely a lot of construction, a lot of hotels being built in Jamaica. But these four, we will definitely give you regular updates on, because these are some mega hotel projects. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Also, if we missed any billion-dollar hotel development, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below and let us know what you think about these developments. Speaks volumes as to what's going on in Jamaica. Alright guys, have a good day.